If I was supposed.
Welcome back, Scorpions. I'm Natalie.
And I'm Skylar. Hey, doesn't this week feel like it's going to be shorter?
Oh yeah, right?
Well, here's a reminder for what's going on this week, Scorpions.
Hey Scorpions. Just as a reminder, this week, the 20th, the 21st, and the 22nd, we have early release on Wednesday and Thursday, and a work at home day on the 22nd. Make sure you guys are still checking your email, Google Classroom, and anything else you need to stay updated on. That's all for me, Scorpions. Bye-bye.
You know what I wish Detv had?
What?
A cooking segment.
Well then, I have just the segment for you.
Stay tuned after this break for more Detv.
So yeah, welcome back, snacks. Today is the first episode ever of my cooking show. So because 'tis the season, we're gonna be making cookies. I couldn't find the little Christmas cookies. But that's okay because Santa doesn't even like those. He likes chocolate chip cookies. So we're gonna make some chocolate chip cookies. Not homemade because we got the ones you just slide in the oven. Yeah. Alright, let's go. Alright guys, I just wanna admire my Christmas tree. Every year I pick out the theme. Today's theme is gold and silver. How pretty. I didn't decorate it though. Welcome to my kitchen. It's not the prettiest, but it's okay. You don't need a pretty kitchen to make cookies. Guys, hold on, where are they? Oh, they're all the way in the back. Chocolate chip cookies, easy to bake. How long does this take to make? First step, wash our hands. Washing your hands is very important, guys. Soap. Okay, I think this is when we get my mom. Mommy, how do you preheat an oven?
Just turn it on to the temperature that you want, and then the preheat light will go away.
So I twist it?
Turn it on.
Okay. Bye bye. You just I don't know how to explain, but they come already kind of cut. So then you just roll them into little circles and then you place them on the mat. There's literally pans in here. Okay, what you guys should have done is check if there's pans in here. Gosh, I'm panicking. We place them in the oven and then we'll wait 10 to 15 minutes. Alright, we're gonna go check on the cookies. Here's my cookies. Oh, I need to get your pen. How did I do? Aren't they pretty?
This year is almost coming to an end. What has this year taught you?
This year has really taught me to focus on school.
That's great. Let's hear more from other students and teachers.
I'm Naomi, and I'm going to be asking DE students what their New Year's resolutions are. I'm here with
David.
And what is your New Year's resolution?
Probably just sleep more. Tired of getting woken up from my naps, and get my schoolwork back on track. Basketball season's been taking a lot of my time, and I just want to get my schoolwork back on track.
Cool, thank you. So I'm here with Savannah. What is your New Year's resolution?
My New Year's resolution is to get on my schoolwork and find a new job.
I'm here with
Simeon.
What is your New Year's resolution?
Get my grades up.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's good. Thank you. Okay, I'm here with
Aaron.
Okay. What is your New Year's resolution?
I want to talk to more people.
That's good. Okay, thank you. Come on, get your out here. I'm here with
Sam.
What is your New Year's resolution?
My New Year's resolution is to talk to more people and be more out there.
So you just copied him, huh?
No.
Isn't that literally not what he just said? Okay, thank you. What are your New Year's resolutions?
My New Year's resolutions?
Mm-hmm.
be successful and just like stuff I do and setting new goals for myself and just being productive, I guess, just working on myself.
That's good. That's good. Thank you. I'm here with Jackie. Okay, what are your New Year's resolutions?
My New Year's resolution is starting out business next year. I'm not gonna let anything slide.
You know the end of the semester is coming up?
Yeah, but why don't we ask Aaron for more information?
Attention, Scorpions. The first semester of this year is almost over, meaning it is your last chance at getting any late or missing assignments to try to end off strong before Christmas break, which is right around the corner. But that's all from me. Do your best and happy holidays.
Hi, my name is David, and I'm here to welcome some new teachers to our school.
Well, that's it for the last DETV of 2023.
Hope you guys have a happy holidays.
I'm Natalie.
And I'm Skylar. You know what I wish? DET, bro, you're already laughing. Go again. I'm sorry. Did you know the end of the semester?
I don't.